Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of In the Know. Today, we're diving into the details of our Blindspace sample kits for both the track trim drapery and the pocket box samples. Let's break it down. Nobina, can you walk us through each sample kit? Let's start with the track trim drapery kit.
Yeah, of course. So this example here is of the Lutron sample kit that you would receive. And for the track trim, you would receive a motor end and a return end. And it also comes with sections of the track trim itself. It also comes with the splice pins. These are needed to connect the boxes together during installation. And so it comes with those, as well as the Lutron fixing brackets as well. When you order the track trim, we have them specific for Lutron, Somfy, or Crestron.
Great. Now let's talk about the box sample kits.
So the box sample kits come with a lot of different options. It comes with the 4x4 box we offer, the 5x5 box, and a C-series custom size box. It also comes with various options on the closures and the phalange options as well. You'll also receive a sample of the patented Blindspace hinge, as well as more information in brochures and catalogs. These are both available in the pocket sample box and the track trim sample boxes.
The sample kits are an exclusive offer to our dealers. Can you take us through the process of becoming a dealer and the cost of the samples?
Yeah, of course. So our sample kits are $50, and you can email us at blindspace@windowmodes.com, and we'd be happy to set you up as a dealer.
Great. Nobina, thank you so much. And thank you everyone for watching In the Know. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more expert tips and Q&A sessions and insights on window treatment innovations. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.